So, rheumatology में as I mentioned कि every patient needs half an hour. So half an hour is about taking history. Our branch is nothing without a good history. Our
So
branch.
can we say कि आप before you get any test
Done.
done, you
History.
basically do clinical examination
And history.
and you
Patient बोलेगा वो बताएगा आपको
कि
आपको उस दिशा में उसको लेके जाना होगा. There's a gene, genetic illness HLA-B27. वो 4 तकलीफों को जोड़ता है. Ankylosing spondylitis, psoriasis, IBD and uveitis. So you need to be very very careful of what testing you advise. So it has to be minimum.
so basically we are taking an example of a rheumatoid arthritis wherein the first step is you do the clinical examination and just to assure it you get a blood test done.
हमें पेशेंट की बात सुनिए. पेशेंट गलत नहीं बोलता है. टेस्ट गलत
गलत
हो
बोल
सकता
सकते
है.
हैं.
I always tell my patients, go and read about it and come back with your questions. और वो questions मुझसे पूछो. I may see less patients, but if I will not give time, they will be lost. But I just want to give a message कि please do not hold yourself back because ये treat नहीं हो. और अब तो ये हो गया ना, नहीं people will come and say अब तो ये हो गया, अब तो क्या होगा? No. It is absolutely treatable. I keep patient stories. I keep
Basically to subside that inflammation.
yes, till other drugs take over. सबकी half life है, वो उसके according act करते हैं. There is no magic with us. उसको time लगेगा.
Right. We're running short of time, and I think, like any other disease, rheumatology also needs a lot of awareness, acceptance. तो आगे बढ़ते हैं और ये समझते हैं कि जब कोई पेशेंट आपकी क्लिनिक में आ जाता है धक्के से या जैसे भी, उसके बाद आप उसको डायग्नोज कैसे करते हो कि उसको क्या इशू है?
So, rheumatology में as I mentioned कि every patient needs half an hour. So half an hour is about taking history. Our branch is nothing without a good history. So there is, all these tests are costly. आपको बहुत सोच समझ के पेशेंट को एडवाइस करना है. पहली बात उन्हें पता नहीं है इसकी ग्रेविटी क्या है. दूसरी बात यू नीड टू कंसीडर द कॉस्ट इफेक्टिवनेस. सो हमारा बेसिक एम ये होता है कि उनसे हिस्ट्री लेके विच इज वेरी वो आप उससे एक्चुअली वी रीच द डायग्नोसिस एंड देन अकॉर्डिंगली आई विल अगर आप एक मिडिल एज्ड मैन हो एंड यू कम टू मी विद अ टो स्वेलिंग, ठीक है, आपका पाँव सूज गया है सडनली एंड सो माय हिस्ट्री विल बी अराउंड गाउट कि आप अल्कोहल लेते हो, ये लेते हो. आई विल नॉट आस्क अबाउट रूमेटॉइड कि आपके फिंगर्स तो नहीं सूजते हैं, दैट काइंड ऑफ थिंग. सो आवर डायग्नोसिस इज विद हिस्ट्री एंड देन वी go further. Without history, nothing is diagnosed in our
So
branch.
can we say कि आप before you get any test done, you
History.
basically do clinical examination
एंड हिस्ट्री.
and you
पेशेंट बोलेगा वो
हाँ,
बताएगा आपको
कि
आपको उस दिशा में उसको लेके जाना होता है.
कि बीमारी कहाँ से शुरू हुई
Yeah.
और कब से चल
सो
रही
वन
है
ऑफ माय
basically.
फेवरेट क्वेश्चन इज दैट आज आप यहाँ किस वजह से आए. दे विल कम अप विद दैट ना.
हाँ, वो खुद ही हिस्ट्री बता देते
यस,
हैं.
दे विल टेल एंड आई टेल देम आज तक जितना भी डॉक्टर से मिले हो बताओ, बिकॉज इवन डॉक्टर्स विल नॉट पुट इट टुगेदर ना. अगर वो फिंगर पेन के साथ चले गए, ऑर्थो ने देखा उस टाइम, दे गिव अ मेडिसिन, इट बिकेम ओके, वो भूल गई उस चीज को. बट हमारे लिए रेलिवेंट है. लाइक इफ समवन कम्स एट सपोज 40, 45 and we have to diagnose SLE, I will ask about miscarriages. जो उनके लिए तो गॉन चैप्टर है ना, क्योंकि बच्चे हो गए तो बात खत्म हो गई. यू गॉट माय पॉइंट.
Yeah.
सो इट इज फ्रॉम स्टार्टिंग पूरा वी ट्रैक दैट कोर्स. अगर आप उसको मिस कर जाते हो देन यू कैन नॉट. सो फॉर अस टेस्ट से भी कहीं कहीं ज्यादा हिस्ट्री इंपॉर्टेंट है.
Right.
सो दैट इज वेयर हमारी ब्रांच का जो जिस्ट लाइज.
To understand the history.
We need to connect the dots. Like there's a gene, genetic illness HLA-B27. वो 4 तकलीफों को जोड़ता है. Ankylosing spondylitis, psoriasis, IBD and uveitis. So जिसे आंख में प्रॉब्लम है, अगर उसे स्किन की हो रही है तो आंख और स्किन को रिलेट ही नहीं कर पाएगा. बट वो एक ही चीज का पार्ट. You got my point?
Yeah.
So it is we are nothing without history. If a doctor, if a rheumatologist misses your history, then like, that's how it.
राइट। मैं एक्चुअली क्या समझाना चाह रहा हूँ अपने पेशेंट्स को कि हम लोग, या मतलब हम तो नहीं, आप कैसे डायग्नोज करते हो कि किसी को क्या प्रॉब्लम है, और उसके बाद वी विल अंडरस्टैंड अबाउट द ट्रीटमेंट आल्सो। सो लेट्स से आपने हिस्ट्री किसी का पेशेंट का समझ लिया, एंड लेट्स से उनको रूमेटॉइड आर्थराइटिस आपको फील हो रहा है,
हाँ।
मतलब
हम्म।
आफ्टर हियरिंग व्हाटएवर
Hearing,
देयर हिस्ट्री
whatever,
इज,
yeah.
तो उसके बाद नेक्स्ट स्टेप क्या है?
जब हम एक सपोज आई zero in on rheumatoid arthritis, उसके बाद we will do one basic investigation, that is rheumatoid. Because in India, we really have to, be very cautious of what the cost effectiveness, because females are involved. If they are not earning themselves, so they are dependent.
या
तो बहुत जरूरी होता है कि हम मिनिमम टेस्टिंग के साथ उसको करें। सो अगर RF पॉजिटिव है, so I may suggest कि okay, the second level is NTCCP, that's gonna predict हमारी की क्या organ involvement हो सकती है, या chest X-ray or something. But I will always try to limit them to minimum investigation. एक तरीका ये भी होता है कि we start the treatment and we observe the patient ना, वो रिस्पॉन्ड करेगा जितना कम से कम में, क्योंकि ये ऐसा नहीं है कि आज हमने किया and after 6 months okay bye bye, that's not gonna, they are with us for entire life.
once they're diagnosed.
So you need to be very very careful of what testing you advise them, so it has to be minimum. जैसे रूमेटॉइड के लिए RF होता है, NTCCP होता है, and then some baseline. If lupus is suspected, so ANA is done, ENA profile is done, CPK is done.
These all are blood tests.
These are all the maximal things are blood tests. Then there comes, ankylosing spondylitis like variants जिनके अंदर spine involved होती है. Then we may need an MRI or something.
Okay.
But our tests are not something like if we do an RF, we do not repeat it again and again. वो हो गया positive, that's it. It need not be repeated again.
Okay. So basically,
One time kind of.
yeah. So basically, we are taking an example of a rheumatoid arthritis, wherein the first step is you do the clinical examination, and just to assure it, you get a blood test done, right? और अगर उसमें वो positive आ गया,
So we start the treatment.
तो you start the treatment.
Yes.
But before we start the process of understanding the treatment, एक बार ये समझते हैं कि अगर उसमें वो नहीं आता है, नेगेटिव आ जाता है, so do you really rule out the rheumatoid arthritis? No.
तो सीरो नेगेटिव देखिए, जैसे अगर पेशेंट रूमेटोलॉजिस्ट तक आया है तो उसको प्रॉब्लम है, आई बिलीव दिस, मैं इसी उसके साथ काम करती हूँ। अगर इतने हर्डल्स क्रॉस करके वहां तक पहुंच गया है, दैट मीन्स द प्रॉब्लम इज देयर। सो RF नेगेटिव has got no value with us अगर patient complain कर रहा है। There are many sophisticated tests, you can do an MRI of the hands and you can pick up arthritis 2 years before it presents. वो उसमें subtle changes, edema and swellings we pick up. There are many sophisticated
तो आप ये कह रहे हो
investigations.
कि RF negative आ सकता है,
Yeah,
even though you may have
yeah.
rheumatoid arthritis.
That's seronegative arthritis.
Okay.
हमें पेशेंट की बात सुननी है, पेशेंट गलत नहीं बोलता है, टेस्ट गलत
बोल सकते हैं।
या इफ इट इज पॉजिटिव, इफ अगर मुझे भी लगता है नहीं है और टेस्ट भी नेगेटिव है तो वी रूल इट आउट देयर। अगर मुझे लगता है, पेशेंट को लगता है हाँ जी प्रॉब्लम है एंड टेस्ट हैज कम नेगेटिव, वी गो फॉर फर्दर टेस्टिंग।
ओके, सो वी विल अंडरस्टैंड दैट ओनली ना। हाँ, तो पहला लेवल हो गया आपने क्लिनिकल एग्जामिनेशन किया, सेकंड लेवल हो गया आपने ब्लड टेस्ट करा RF, उसके बाद व्हाट इज द थर्ड स्टेप?
Imaging like ultrasound of hands we do, we get an MRI of hands done, triple phase bone scan, many tests which we can do.
क्या उसमें भी नेगेटिव आ सकते हैं या उसमें कंफर्म पॉजिटिव आएगा?
नो अगर देखिए उसमें आ जाता है, अगर आपको है तो आ जाएगा या, बट देन देयर आर लाइक बहुत सारी ना इसकी एक क्लिनिकल प्रेजेंटेशन हो सकती है। जैसे अगर आपका सपोज आज रूमेटॉइड फैक्टर पॉजिटिव है, आई मे नॉट स्टार्ट यू ऑन ट्रीटमेंट, आई विल जस्ट ऑब्जर्व, लाइक आपके पेरेंट्स में से किसी को है और तो आपका पॉजिटिव आ जाएगा, but until unless we document the inflammation, you may not require treatment, we will wait, you may not get it entire life even if your RF is positive. So that is where our role comes. बहुत patients आते हैं, RF is positive, they will be on treatment, 4 drugs ले रहे हैं, but they may not have the illness. Like someone has diabetes, he has got 4 children, 2 will get, 2 will not get. So your environmental factors, how good you are with your nutrition, how good you exercise, or a lot of, if you are a cigarette smoker or not, that will also play a part. Na? So one is that like you are predisposed to it. Second thing is, will you get it? So our role comes उस पेशेंट को पिक करने में कि इसको जरूरत है भी या नहीं. So that is where, so rheumatoid factor positive, negative is for the interpretation of your treating doctor, not the patient.
Not for the patient. Right. तो डायग्नोसिस तो समझ लिया. अब बात करते हैं ट्रीटमेंट की. तो ट्रीटमेंट क्या रहता है? It's because rheumatology department does not involve any sort of surgery. So we're assuming it's all primarily medicines, exercises, and all that. So let's understand the treatment.
So there are 2-3 things जो मैं ट्रीटमेंट से पहले बोलना चाहूंगी. First thing is that all the rheumatological disorders can be treated. लोगों को ये बहुत मिसकंसेप्शन है कि अरे इसका तो कोई ट्रीटमेंट ही नहीं. Absolutely, you can have a normal life. Technology has progressed so much that you cannot actually tell. They will be as good as I am talking and moving my hands, but उसको damage is not reversible. आपको उससे पहले ही recognize करना है. Like suppose you have a glass, if it breaks off, फिर तो उसको नहीं जोड़ सकते ना, पर आप उसे पीछे संभाल के रख सकते हो कि ओके यहाँ से गिरेगा नहीं. That is it. So सारी diseases treatable है. लोगों को अक्सर ऐसा लगता है when they Google about our drugs, अरे इससे तो इम्यूनिटी का ये हो जाएगा, इससे तो वो हो जाएगा. सो यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड कि आपकी जो तकलीफ है वो हाइपर इम्यून डिसऑर्डर है, तो इम्यूनिटी को टेम डाउन करना है. वो भी एक पर्टिकुलर सेट. देयर आर 100 पाथवेज, तो उसमें से हम 1 या 2 को ही टारगेट कर रहे हैं, बाकी तो चल रहे हैं. सो यू आर विल नॉट गो इन एन इम्यून सप्रेस्ड स्टेट. ऐसा नहीं होता है. Third thing is advancements. Like we have now biological drugs, we have JAK inhibitors, which make the life of patient absolutely normal. Okay, people come with that kind of apprehension. We will never get treated. सारी उम्र दवाई चलेगी, ये वो. All these diseases, they have a kind of waxing and waning course. कभी ये बढ़ जाएंगी, कभी ये कम हो जाएंगी. Sometimes people will think, why am I getting treated? I am so that okay. Next day he can be on bed. So it's a long course. First, acceptance should be there. Patient should realize कि भाई हमें ये problem है. We need to get it treated. It is like any other illness. ठीक है. So always they will ask, इसका cure है या नहीं है? So that's a common question that I get all the time. इसका cure है या नहीं है? So I always tell them कि you tell me only 3 diseases which have a cure, तो मैं बताऊंगी. Then they keep on thinking, because it's like that. Blood pressure, like you have diabetes, thyroid, किस चीज का cure है?
Ongoing process.
Yes. Yeah. So why do people segregate our department with that? So people need to understand कि थोड़ा बहुत ये चलता रहेगा. There will be phases when they will be on minimal treatment. There will be phases when we need to be aggressive, but they have to trust. So for that, what happens is that they do not know कि किस चीज के डॉक्टर हैं और क्या ट्रीट कर रहे हैं और मुझे क्या है. So it's all a confused state. But once they get a relief, after 6 months, they will know. So there is a lot of awareness which is needed. They never question the diabetes doctor, क्योंकि वो तो उनको पता है, उनके सब पड़ोसी भी खा रहे हैं,
आपका सब्जेक्ट
पार्क में ले रहा है. हाँ, पार्क में जो ले रहे हैं वो भी ले रहे हैं, उनकी मम्मी को भी हुआ था. So there is no question.
So that acceptability is
we are in that courtroom all the time. Who are you and what are you going to do with us?
आज आपकी थोड़ी सी फ्रस्ट्रेशन निकल गई मेरे ख्याल से.
We are used to it. So अगर कोई ऑलरेडी भी आता है, so I explain them. I don't take this for granted. Because अगर आज मैंने उन्हें explain नहीं किया तो कल उन्हें कोई नहीं करेगा.
Right.
So they will land with me again after 3 years when everything is done. आप समझ रहे हो?
Yeah.
So हमारा उनके साथ time spend करना और उनको समझाना. So I am a big believer of this thing. Like I always tell my patients, go and read about it and come back with your question. और वो questions मुझसे पूछो. That is the only way, because if I tell them or I don't tell them, they'll go and read and then they will be lost because उनको समझ ही नहीं आएगा. They'll be confused. और हमारी branch के I even tell them like I'm very happy if they have a doctor in their home. I always ask my patients, do you have a doctor
in your family?
Yes. Because उसकी बात वो मानेंगे and I can explain it to that doctor. It's very easy for me. That's my pet question. क्योंकि वो they will trust him कि हाँ ये ठीक कह रहा है तो उसको तो समझा देंगे. इनको समझाना मुश्किल है. Plus you ask them to read and I tell them on my second visit, write down your questions and ask them. You cannot leave them in lurch कि एक बार मिले और छोड़ दिया. They'll be lost. So that is where the problem happens. कि, you know, people, like I give a lot of time to my patients. I may see less patients, but if I will not give time, they will be lost. So if I'll not give a big explanation to you, you will also not come again. Yeah. You will not understand, right?
Yeah.
So that's why we have to speak that much. So being a rheumatologist, you have to be a really good speaker.
Correct. No. And a good listener as well.
Yeah. You know? You have to empathize with them. Yeah. आपको ये समझना पड़ेगा कि whatever he is asking, you cannot lose your patient. Yeah. They will ask like so
100
many,
questions.
like 100 questions are unrelated. Because उनको पता ही नहीं है. जब उन्हें यही नहीं पता तो then you know they will have their doubts what to do. आप उसको ऐसे ही नहीं कर सकते. अगर आपने ऐसे ही छोड़ दिया तो वो छूट ही जाएगा. Right. So that is the problem.
डॉक्टर श्रुति मतलब आप थोड़ा सा ये समझाएं कि अभी लेटेस्ट ट्रीटमेंट क्या अवेलेबल है.
So I would like to tell you कि rheumatology का जो landscape of treatment है that has changed over last 10 years. When I entered into this field, treatment was different. When I'm today treating the patient, it is different.
It's different.
So many new drugs, so many new sophisticated agents. You can just, you know, take an injection once in 6 months and you are going to do okay. Rituximab, infliximab, people in India, all the drugs are available. All the drugs are available. Only thing is that people have to come forward to ask. They can have an absolutely normal life. They can play, they can swim, they can work, everything.
So you're saying that these drugs are available that they have to take bi-yearly?
Yes, there are many drugs, but there are, you know, certain kind of agents which you can take once in 6 months and you're going to do okay. So, like all type of patients are there. Na? Some require higher level of treatment. Some don't want to take everyday pills. So all the options are available. All the options are available. But uske liye you have to get yourself diagnosed and then, you know, आपको डिस्कस करना पड़ेगा. It's a patient-physician partnership. I give all the options. See, this is the basic line, this is the second line, this is ये. I recommend you this, and what do you want? Because अगर वो उनके according और उनके system के according tailored नहीं है, तो they will not stick to it.
Correct. I agree with you.
But I just want to give a message कि please do not hold yourself back because ये treat नहीं हो सकता. और अब तो ये हो गया, many people will come and say, अब तो ये हो गया, अब तो क्या होगा? No, it is absolutely treatable. I, you know, keep patient stories. I keep their numbers and I share them with the patients. कि rather than random आप जो देख रहे हो, you go and make the patient.
नहीं, हमने इतना अच्छा एक डॉक्यूमेंट रेडी कर लिया. अब ये लिंक भेजना आप लोगों को कि go and watch the video. Anyway, so you know there is one misconception that I have also read about, which is that you know most of the rheumatologists they give steroids.
Okay.
Is that true?
देखिए, स्टेरॉइड देते हैं, स्टेरॉइड की जरूरत भी होती है, बट एज अ सुपर स्पेशलिस्ट हमारा काम ये है कि कितना देना और कब तक देना. ठीक है. Steroids are the best drugs when they are used in good hands. आप समझ रहे हो? So steroid is the best anti-inflammatory we have. Tomorrow अगर आपको पूरे joints सूजे हुए हैं, so अगर all these drugs, DMARD, they take time to act, but उस दौरान हम drug हाथों को सूजे तो नहीं रहने दे सकते, उससे अंदर joint खराब हो जाएगा. So we give it as a bridging therapy. So till the time आपकी medicines action start करती हैं, उस swelling को मिटाने के लिए दिया जाता है, and then we stop it.
Okay. So it's not like a permanent
No,
thing?
never.
And is it like 100% to all the patients this is
नहीं,
recommended?
no,
नहीं.
no, no.
Okay.
आज morning से मैंने जितनी भी OPD की है, मैंने एक भी patient को steroid नहीं दिया. No. It is for only patients who are sick, जो severe है. क्योंकि उसको severe में छोड़ दोगे तो वो damage कर रही है ना अंदर. You lose that time.
So basically to subside that inflammation.
Yes, till other drugs take over. सबकी half life है, वो उसके according act करते हैं. There is no magic with us. उसको time लगेगा.
Right. Lifestyle कैसे impact कर रहा है rheumatology एक normal human being को?
So this is a very common question कि हम क्या खा सकते हैं और क्या नहीं. Many people have this frame of mind that खट्टा नहीं खा सकते, अचार नहीं खा सकते, दही नहीं खा सकते. Nothing of that is true. Nothing absolutely. In fact, people with arthritis should have more milk-based products for calcium. Understand?
Yeah.
So there are no restrictions from our side, except in a few diseases like gout, where we restrict alcohol and red meat. That's it.
Okay.
Even pulses are not restricted. Dal nahi kha sakte. These are all, misconceptions. I always tell the patient that you can eat whatever you want to. Why should we restrict something which is not impacting the disease?
Right.
I tell them that you eat anything, but you take your drug, please. That is going to work.
So there's no good or bad food.
No, see, if you are having a healthy diet, it is for your overall good. If you are taking, regular omega-3 fatty acids, you are incorporating calcium in your diet, you regularly exercise, you do not smoke. Like I tell you, for smoking, in rheumatoid arthritis, we have a test like anti-CCP. So smoking causes citrullination, this process. So your antibodies will become higher. So smoking alcohol, which is, not good for other diseases, is not good for our disease also.
Right.
But rest, we do not have any major kind of these, people impose on themselves. We do not tell them. So there is no restriction from our sides except for certain diseases, certain specific diseases that would be, I think, beyond the scope of this. And you should take a healthy diet, exercising, maintaining weight. All these, whatever is good for any heart patient is good for us also.
Right. I think this
That
is
kind of
the
thing.
most common message that I get
Yes.
from a lot of doctors to lead a healthy lifestyle. I think that's very important.
And it also has to be tailored according to the patient.
Yeah.
Like my advice to a laborer would be different than some corporate person. हमें तो सारा ही देखना है.
Correct.
So accordingly, आप उनको बताना है. Like there's fad, people will get there. I don't know what testing done. My vitamin E is low and this is low and my magnesium is low. It's like body has micronutrients and macro.
Correct.
What we are just concerned is about vitamin D and B12. Please do not waste your money over all this. If you are taking a normal balanced home diet, only supplementation required is maybe vitamin D and B12 if you are a vegetarian. That's it. And maybe omega-3 if you are like vegetarian. So omega-3, they have a good role in dryness and lot many autoimmune diseases.
Yeah.
So just normal home diet along with the supplementation if it comes out to be less. That's it. If you are eating paneer or if you are eating like having 2 glasses of milk, it is fine. We do not even add calcium.
Right.
So that is kind of thing. People will, they try to correct themselves nutritionally. So if I talk about India, we get, all sort of population, like some laborer also. So they too do not have these access to all these things. So their nutritional status should be zero then.
Correct.
That doesn't happen. They have better immunity than anybody else. So it has a limited role. People are very obsessed with this thought process.
Yeah.
But that's not true.
Right. So, we'll be running short of time, and I think, like any other disease, rheumatology also needs a lot of awareness, acceptance.
So
Um,
I'll just,
yeah.
name certain disorders that if anybody in your family or you have it. So one thing is psoriasis. Psoriasis is a skin problem, scalp psoriasis, hands and this palmoplantar. Psoriatic arthritis comes with that. Other thing is urticaria. So we specialize with all these allergic disorders also. Urticaria is you get recurrent rashes all over your body, itchy rashes, जो आते हैं then uveitis if you get a recurrent red eye which is not resolving painful red eye जिसमें आपका vision कम हो जाता है you need to meet a rheumatologist backache especially when it worsens in morning अगर आपके घर में किसी को अल्सरेटिव कोलाइटिस है या क्रॉन्स डिजीज है देन ऑल्सो वी हैव अ रोल एसएलई आपकी आंखों में बहुत ड्राइनेस रहती है मुंह में बहुत ड्राइनेस रहती है then there is pulmonologist के पास आप visit करते हो ILD is there
Right.
interstitial lung disease progressive breathing
Yeah.
troubles you are having recurrent miscarriages अगर आपको 2 या 3 miscarriages first second trimester में हो रहे हैं meet a rheumatologist do not waste your time
Yeah.
so many these things are linked continuous fever है 1 महीना हो गया fever is not subsiding and then, of course, joint pain and swellings, everyone recognizes constant fatigue. अगर आप अपने बेड से उठ नहीं पा रहे, so especially in elderly, if you get a temporal headache, आप सुबह उठते हो पूरा half area आपका दर्द है. It is tender to touch. All these things come under us.
Yeah.
It's such a wide spectrum.
Yeah. No, it is such a wide spectrum, but because we're running short of time, one final message that you want to give to our audience.
Okay. One final message that I would like to give the audience is that if your doctor refers to a rheumatologist, do come. Sometimes, doctors refer, but patients do not
They don't
understand the
understand. Yeah.
gravity.
Yeah.
Come at the earliest. आप जब उस चीज को समझेंगे तब आपको पता चलेगा इसको ट्रीट करना कितना जरूरी है.
Right.
Like, and there is no harm if you are above 40, go and meet a rheumatologist because it is such a wide spectrum.
Correct. Correct.
And if possible, जब आप अपना preventive health check कराते हैं, get your RF and ANA tested. अगर आपका ESR persistently raised है, that is another indication. ESR, CRP आपके raised आ रहे हैं, वो तो normal testing में होता ही है.
Correct.
Then you have to see us.
Yeah.
So, my message to you would be a visit to your rheumatologist is not going to harm you.
Correct.
It's going to benefit you in many ways.
Yeah, I agree. Precaution is always better.
Yes.
So, with that note, we end the show. Thank you so much, Dr. Shruti, for sparing this time and sharing such valuable information with our audience. Thanks to our audience as well for watching this video, and I hope that you do get some knowledge, some information from this show. Thank you so much for watching.
So, hi everyone. I think I'm very lucky to be, on the show with Mayank at this NH Talk Show. And I would like to thank him for, taking that initiative that rheumatology, he considered rheumatology as one of the important subjects, जो कि actually में है but miss हो जाता है. He's trying to raise awareness and helping doctors like us ताकि patient physician connect हो and it's a super good initiative and I just had a lovely time with him. I would tell all my viewers also and everyone to follow his channel for more information and we will have more podcasts coming for you on specific diseases also. Thank you so much.